Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best mosaic tiles is probably one of the most versatile and attractive materials for crafting, offering endless possibilities to unleash your creativity and add unique textures and colors to your DIY projects. Whether you are a seasoned crafter or just starting, this video will guide you through everything you need to know about selecting the perfect mosaic tiles for your next masterpiece. From understanding different materials and sizes to mastering application techniques and exploring inspiring project ideas. Number 5. Lanyani Bright Glass Tiles. These stunning glass tiles are perfect for adding a touch of elegance to any project. Each petal is meticulously hand-cut and polished for a perfect finish. These petal-shaped pieces are individually hand-cut from stained glass sheets. The result? A beautiful, unique mosaic tile. They come in a variety of bright, beautiful colors: red, orange, yellow, pink, blue, and green. No muted tones here. This set includes 2 assorted sizes of petals to give you creative flexibility. Each set contains 50 pieces. Use them for petals, leaves, wings, eyes, or any other natural shape you can imagine. Let your creativity flow. These tiles are 1/8 inch thick. The larger tiles measure 3.2 by 5/8 inches, and the smaller ones are 1 by 1.2 inches. What we like? If you need vibrant, hand-cut petal shapes for your mosaic projects, this is the perfect choice. Its unique shapes are ideal for creating flowers and other nature-inspired designs. These will add a touch of elegance to any craft project. What people say. These tiles are good quality and the colors are beautiful. You will find there are not an equal number of each color or shade. The other colors are represented well. Their colors just popped. So bright and perfect. Not only that, but they were also all cut so cleanly, making their size consistent throughout the whole package. I think that makes your project so much easier to work and the outcome looks so much better. I picked these up to start my own home set of tiles after taking a class. These tiles are good quality, consistent, general use mosaic tiles with no defective or broken pieces. Almost all are exact squares, with just the odd few with one odd angled side. Most of the colors are pure and opaque. Some, like the gray, which is a blend of white and black, have some subtle swirls and have gradation along light to dark, with a few of them venturing into green or violet. And the green yellows have a bit of swirl in them. A pretty even set along all colors. The batch I got had probably fewest pure reds and true greens, but the inclusion of pinks, ivories, and 2 tones of red as well as the variations in the gray were a nice surprise, and will be very useful. Tile thickness is just shy of 1/8 inch thick, and tile size is 3/4 square. Number 4. 1100 PCS Mosaic Tiles Craft Kit. With 1,100 colorful mosaic tiles, you'll have everything you need to create stunning works of art. It's perfect for DIY projects, home decor, or crafting with friends and family. This kit includes a mix of shapes and sizes, including squares, rhombuses, triangles, and rectangles. You'll have plenty of options to express your unique style. These tiles are made from high-quality glass, ensuring they are durable, vibrant, and safe for use in various projects. They're odorless and non-toxic. Use them for stepping stones, ceramic work, artwork, backsplashes, or any project that sparks your imagination. The possibilities are truly endless. These tiles are great for crafting with friends and family. Create unique gifts or collaborate on larger projects together. Let your creativity shine. We're confident you'll love these mosaic tiles. If you have any problems, please contact us. We value your feedback and appreciate your sharing your experience. What we like? Looking for a bulk option with variety? This pack offers a massive quantity of various shapes and sizes, perfect for large-scale projects or if you like to experiment with different designs. The high quality ensures durability and a professional finish for your creations. What people say. These mosaic tiles are perfect for fill-ins and mosaic flowers. There are a lot of them. I used these for a kids' craft project for our history class. We were learning about mosaics and created our own mosaics at the end of the lesson. These pieces were very easy to work with and the colors were really pretty. Regular white school glue worked wonderfully on these tiles. I liked how the pieces were separated by shape, because it helped kids easily find what they were looking for based on what design they wanted to do. Love all the different shapes in this set. I used these to make coasters and applied the tiles with E6000 glue and I haven't had any issues with them culling off. Love all the various colors, gives each coaster its own special color scheme. Number 3. Lanyani Glass Mosaics. This value pack is perfect for all your crafting needs. It's filled with a stunning variety of colors and shapes, ready to inspire your next project. With 20 to 30 assorted colors, it offers endless possibilities. Let your imagination run wild and create something truly unique. These irregular glass pieces can be easily shaped and sized to fit your project. Customize it to your exact specifications. From decorating frames and mirrors to enhancing ceramics and vases, it's incredibly versatile. Transform ordinary items into stunning works of art. Add a touch of elegance and sparkle to your home. It's ideal for adding a personal touch to any space. We stand behind the quality of our product. If you're not completely satisfied, please contact us, and we'll make it right. What we like. If you are looking for a large quantity of diverse shapes and colors for your mosaic art, this is a great value option. The irregular shapes allow for unique and creative designs, perfect for adding texture and visual interest to your projects. It's ideal for those who enjoy experimenting with different styles and techniques. What people say. Nice sized chunks of glass. Great for crafts. Lovely colors, nice variety. Looked great, good quality, lots of variety, and quite durable. There wasn't that many pieces that were broken and about 99% of it was usable, so A+ from this guy. I've bought 2 mixes from this company and have been satisfied with both. First was the iridescent and next was the cathedral glass. As I said, I really like the mix of colors in both. The iridescent has beautiful swirls of color on the plain side while the iridescent side looks more uniform. The cathedral glass is more varied with the different textures. Number 2. Mosaic Glass Tiles Craft Kit. These versatile tiles are perfect for unleashing your creativity. They're ideal for a wide range of DIY projects, adding a touch of sparkle and color to your creations. You'll receive approximately 100 high-quality glass mosaic tiles in a mix of 3 beautiful blue shades. It's everything you need to get started, though adhesive is sold separately. These tiles are made of durable glass with a smooth, polished finish. The edges are carefully passivated, ensuring safe and easy handling. Use them to decorate photo frames, plates, or even create stunning mosaic artwork. The possibilities are truly endless. Let your imagination run wild. They're the ideal size for various projects, from small accents to larger installations. Transform ordinary objects into unique works of art. We stand behind the quality of our product. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to contact us. We're here to help. What we like. If you're working on a project that requires a specific color palette, this set of blue mosaic tiles is perfect. The consistent size and smooth surface make them easy to work with, ideal for beginners or those who prefer a simpler approach to mosaic art. It's a great option for smaller projects or those who want a cohesive color scheme. What people say. These were smaller than I had worked with in the past. I ordered a few colors and created a custom design on a tabletop for my porch. Consistent color and quality too. I love the pre-cut size that makes background fill pretty easy. Projects go quickly. These tiles are beautiful. Colors and size were spot on. Number 1. Petal Mosaic Tiles. It's made of high-quality clay, ensuring durability and a beautiful finish for your mosaic projects. These glazed tiles are perfect for creating stunning artwork. They come in a vibrant mix of colors, including blue, green, yellow, orange, red, and purple. This variety allows for endless creative possibilities. With a mix of large, medium, and small petal shapes, you can add depth and texture to your designs. It's easy to create realistic-looking flowers. These pre-cut tiles are incredibly easy to use, making them perfect for both beginners and experienced crafters. Simply arrange and adhere them to your project. Use them to create beautiful mosaic coasters, decorate flower pots, or even add a unique touch to your home decor. They're perfect for any mosaic project, big or small. Let your imagination run wild and create stunning mosaic art with these versatile tiles. The possibilities are endless. What we like. If you prefer a natural look and feel for your mosaic creations, this set of clay petal tiles is a wonderful choice. The pre-cut shapes and mixed sizes make it easy to create beautiful flower patterns, Perfect for adding a touch of nature to your home decor or craft projects. It's ideal for those who enjoy working with a more organic material. What people say. I am making a fairly large mosaic for my front yard. These pre-cut pieces will make the project easier and faster to complete. I'm very happy with the vibrant colors and quality. The tiles are nice quality. Only one petal had a small chip. Tiles are uniformly shaped. These are easy to fit next to each other and alternate the sizes to create a repeating pattern. I received a nice variety of each color, and these are easy to use tile nippers on if you need to cut them down to fit. All times arrived without any chips. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.